Welcome to our guide on mindful eating practices. In this video, we'll explore the concept of mindful eating, offering techniques to savor food, eat consciously, cultivate a healthier relationship with the nourishment we consume. Mindful eating involves bringing full attention and awareness to the act of eating, focusing on the sensory experience of food without judgment. It's about being present and engaged during mealtime. Practicing mindful eating offers numerous benefits. It helps in reducing overeating, aiding weight management, improving digestion, and promoting a healthier relationship with food. Mindful eating can also enhance the enjoyment of meals and increase satisfaction. Begin by eating with awareness. Pay attention to the food's appearance, texture, aroma, and flavors. Take smaller bites and chew slowly, allowing yourself to fully experience each mouthful. Engage your senses while eating. Notice the colors, shapes, and textures of your food. Savor the flavors as you chew, appreciating the taste and how it evolves with each bite. Be mindful of your body's hunger signals. Before eating, check in with yourself. Are you truly hungry, or are you eating out of habit or emotional triggers? Understanding your hunger cues helps in eating when genuinely hungry. Avoid distractions while eating. Turn off screens, put away phones, and create a calm environment. Focus solely on your meal, allowing yourself to fully immerse in the eating experience. Practice mindful portioning. Serve yourself reasonable portions and assess your satiation levels during the meal. Pause between bites to evaluate if you're comfortably satisfied or full. Appreciate the journey of your food. Consider where it comes from, the effort involved, and the people behind its production. Cultivate gratitude for the nourishment you receive. Adopt a non-judgmental attitude toward food. Release guilt associated with eating choices. Allow yourself to enjoy a variety of foods without attaching labels of good or bad. Incorporate mindful eating into daily life. Practice these techniques during meals, snacks, and even in food preparation, fostering a deeper connection with the nourishment you consume. Eat with intention and purpose. Consciously choose foods that nurture your body, mind, and overall well-being. Consider how your food choices make you feel. Mindful eating can help manage emotional eating. Pause and assess your emotions before reaching for food. Find alternative ways to address emotions without turning to food. As we conclude this journey into mindful eating practices, remember that each meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and mind. Embrace the experience of eating with mindfulness. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with those seeking a healthier relationship with food. Stay tuned for more enlightening content. Until next time, eat mindfully and savor each bite.